If you are someone who wants to save money, I believe this particular video is going to help you, because I'm going to reveal 2 ways that I've personally been saving money on daily basis. So if you are someone who wants to save, this particular video is going to help you. Now, ever since I started taking finance seriously, I've discovered that if you are someone who wants to increase your income over time, savings is not the best way to go. So what I personally do is that anytime I get some money and the money is seated, what I'll do is to use it to buy something that I can sell later on to get some profit on it. But anytime I didn't get anything to buy and make profit on it, sometimes I keep this money in certain places, which I'm going to reveal to you right now. So one trick I've been using is that I already know that the CD, anytime the CD has been falling against the dollar pound, so in most cases, I try to find ways and means that the small money I have will not go down, because we don't even have plenty. So how can the small one I have be going down like that? So what I basically do is that I find ways and means to see how I can put this money into dollars, whether it's like 500 cedis. I'll try and see how I can put it in dollars. So one way that you can put this in dollars is to have a dollar account with your bank. Then you go there and buy dollars. So this money will be in your dollar account. That means like it will not go down like that. Like depreciation, I will not talk much about that, but your money will not go down like someone who is saving the same 500 Ghana cedis. So this is how I've been doing it. But because of the procedure in the bank and all that, sometimes what I do is to buy USDT from Binance. I buy USDT from Binance. So I did videos about how you can buy USDT from Binance and all that. I suggest you watch these videos so that it could be helpful. It will be helpful to you. Now, the reason why I've been buying from Binance is that USDT is the same as dollar. So anytime the dollar is going up, the USDT is also going up. So this means that my money will not be going down like that, because Charlie, we don't have plenty. So how can the small one we have to be going down? So guys, basically that's what I do. Another thing I do is to use the Achieve app. The Achieve app, people have been saying that it's not legit. Okay, maybe I can buy into that because I don't have any backing for that and all. So by far, I've been using the Achieve app and it has been helping me, because I can save in dollars and at the same time I can invest on the app. So that's what I've been doing. And by far, I've not seen anything bad with the Achieve app yet. So I've still been using it. So sometimes I put my money in the Achieve app. Anytime at all, yeah, I can go there and withdraw it. In case I have something to buy and sell, I'll just go there and withdraw it. The same thing too on Binance. I can just go there and withdraw it at any time. But the advantage of using Binance over the bank is that Binance will not take any charges. You know, the bank, if you go there, they'll give you their own rate. The government's rate will be different from the bank's rate. So sometimes, like some kululu will be inside. If you go to the bank, sometimes they do not put the rates there for the public. They'll give you like last week's own. So sometimes kululu day inside. But on Binance, everything is plain. No one can deceive anyone. But it's just that as for the Binance platform, it's not for the government. So anything at all can happen. So you can lose your money if the company vanish. But in the bank, even if the bank goes down, the government can step in for you to get your money. So basically, that's how I've personally been saving my money. So one is to save it on Binance, and the second way is to save it on the Achieve app. So guys, this is it, and I just want to share this with you guys. Let me know how you have also been saving so that other people can also learn from you. So leave it in the comment section. How have you also been saving your money, or how have you been investing on a daily basis so that people can also learn from you? I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video.